अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम सॉल्व करेंगे AD/ASF का पेपर इवनिंग बैच का जो कंडक्ट किया गया है 9 मई 2026 को। जो एग्जैक्ट MCQs पेपर में आए थे उनके साथ साथ हम एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन को भी डिस्कस करेंगे। ये पेपर तो आप दे चुके हैं, लेकिन ये जो एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन है ये किसी और एग्ज़ाम में आपके लाजमी काम आएगी। मेरी दुआ है कि आप में से जो स्टूडेंट्स भी ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं और उन्होंने ये पेपर दिया है, तो अल्लाह आप सबको कामयाब करे और आपको कोई और पेपर देने की नौबत ही ना आए। लेकिन आप सबको पता है कि सीट्स जो है वो बहुत कम होती हैं, तो उसके मुकाबले में मेरिट जहाँ पर आकर रुकता है, सिर्फ उतने स्टूडेंट्स को ही नेक्स्ट फेज़ के लिए बुलाया जाएगा। डिसहार्ट नहीं होना। अगर आपके 75 या इससे अबव मार्क्स बन रहे हैं तो आपने बहुत अच्छा स्कोर किया है, और अगर अभी आप क्लियर ना कर सके तो किसी और एग्ज़ाम में आप लाजमी तौर पर किसी न किसी सीट को क्रैक कर लेंगे। आप तमाम स्टूडेंट्स को FIA की जो रिसेंटली जॉब्स अनाउंस हुई हैं, असिस्टेंट सब इंस्पेक्टर, LDC, UDC, स्टीनोटाइपिस्ट, कारपोरल, पंजाब रेवेन्यू अथॉरिटी में इन्फोर्समेंट ऑफिसर और ऑडिट ऑफिसर, इनके सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग कंप्लीट नोट्स चाहिए हों वन लाइनर की फॉर्म में, तो जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर आपको स्क्रीन पर शो हो रहा है उस पर कॉन्टैक्ट करके आप सैम्पल रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। व्हाट्सएप पर ही आपको सैम्पल के साथ साथ पेमेंट की डिटेल्स वगैरह शेयर कर दी जाएंगी। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के पेपर को सॉल्व करना। वीडियो को आपने कंप्लीट लाजमी देखना है। इसमें जो मैथ्स के MCQs रिसीव हुए हैं वो भी सॉल्व करके आपके साथ शेयर किए जाएंगे। फर्स्ट MCQs है 1857 वार ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस इज़ नेम्ड व्हाट इन इंडियन हिस्टोरियोग्राफी फर्स्ट वार ऑफ इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस। अब 1857 वार की बात हो रही है, तो इसी से रिलेटेड एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन देख लेते हैं। 1857 वार ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस started on 10th of May 1857. The first incident of 1857 war took place at Meerut. The soldier who sparked the rebellion by refusing to use greased cartridges at Barakpur was Mangal Pandey. The main immediate cause of 1857 war was the use of greased cartridges in the Enfield rifle. Last Mughal emperor who led the 1857 war was Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah Zafar was arrested by Captain Hudson. After the failure of the war, Bahadur Shah Zafar was exiled to Rangoon in Burma. Famous female leader of 1857 war from Jhansi was Rani Lakshmi Bai. Next MCQs था Mount Everest is located in Nepal. माउंट एवरेस्ट से रिलेटेड एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन देख लेते हैं। इट इज़ द हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक इन द वर्ल्ड with an official elevation of 8848 meters. The height of Mount Everest is approximately 29031 feet. Mount Everest is located in the Himalayas mountain range. The mountain is situated on the border between Nepal and China in Tibet. In Nepal, Mount Everest is known by the local name Sagarmatha, meaning goddess of the sky. In Tibet, Mount Everest is known as Chomolungma, meaning goddess mother of the world. Mount Everest was named after Sir George Everest, who was the Surveyor General of India. First successful ascent of Mount Everest was made on 29th of May 1953. First two men to reach the summit were Sir Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay from Nepal. First woman to climb Mount Everest was Junko Tabei from Japan in 1975. First Pakistani man to climb Mount Everest was Nazir Sabir in 2000. First Pakistani woman to climb Mount Everest was Samina Beg in 2013. First blind person to summit Mount Everest was Eric Weihenmayer. नेक्स्ट MCQs था विच रिवर सिस्टम फॉर्म्स द इंडस बेसिन इन पाकिस्तान। इंडस रिवर सिस्टम। अब इंडस रिवर सिस्टम से रिलेटेड एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन पढ़ते हैं। टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द इंडस रिवर इज़ अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3180 किलोमीटर्स. इंडस रिवर ओरिजिनेट्स फ्राम तिब्बतन प्लेट्यू नियर लेक मंसारोवर. इन तिब्बत द इंडस रिवर इज़ नोन एज सेंगी जेंगबो और लायन रिवर. Indus River enters Pakistan at a place called Gultari in Skardu district in GB. Indus River flows between the mountain ranges of Himalaya and Hindu Kush. Largest tributary of Indus River is Chenab River. The point where all five Punjab rivers Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej and Beas join is called Panjnand. The Panjnand River joins Indus River at a location called Mithankot. Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan in year 1960. Indus Water Treaty was brokered by World Bank. Under the Indus Water Treaty, Pakistan was given rights to the three western rivers Indus, Jhelum and Chenab. India was given rights to three eastern rivers Ravi, Beas and Sutlej. The largest dam built on the Indus River is Tarbela Dam. Next MCQs था Sir Syed Ahmad Khan started which movement to uplift educational status of Muslims? अलीगढ़ मूवमेंट। अब सर सैयद अहमद ख़ान से रिलेटेड तो काफ़ी सारे MCQs पेपर में आते रहते हैं, सो उनको पढ़ लेते हैं। Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born on 17th of October 1817 in Delhi. The title of Sir was awarded to him by the British government in the year 1888. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan started professional career as a sub-judge, Munsif. During the 1857 War of Independence, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was posted at Bijnor. Famous book written by Sir Syed to explain causes of 1857 revolt is Asbab-e-Bagawat-e-Hind. To remove British misconceptions about Indian Muslims after 1857, he wrote The Loyal Muhammadans of India. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan established a Persian school at Muradabad in 1859. He established Victoria School at Ghazipur in 1864. The Scientific Society aimed at translating English books into Urdu and Persian was founded by him in 1864. Headquarters of Scientific Society was shifted from Ghazipur to Aligarh in 1866. Famous journal started by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan to reform the social life of Muslims was Tehzeeb-ul-Akhlaq. Tehzeeb-ul-Akhlaq was started in the year 1870. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan visited England in 1869 to study their educational system. The MAO Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental High School was established at Aligarh in 1875. MAO High School was upgraded to college in 1877. Foundation stone of MAO College was laid by Lord Lytton. MAO College was granted the status of university, Aligarh Muslim University in 1920. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan is considered the first proponent of the two-nation theory. He used the word nation for Muslims for the first time during Urdu-Hindi controversy in 1867. Urdu-Hindi controversy in 1867 started in the city of Banaras. Organization founded by Sir Syed to provide a political platform and promote educational awareness was Mohammedan Educational Conference in 1886. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan advised Muslims to stay away from the Indian National Congress. The book written by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan describing historical monuments of Delhi is Asarus Sanadid. He wrote a commentary on the Holy Quran titled Tafsirul Quran. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan wrote Khutbat-e-Ahmadiyya in response to William Muir's book Life of Muhammad. स्पेलिंग गलत है यहाँ पर, Life of Muhammad, peace be upon him. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan died on 27th of March 1898 and is buried in Aligarh Mosque. Next MCQs था What is the meaning of obdurate, stubborn or headstrong, ziddi? Meaning of inchoate, incomplete or early stage, namukammal. What is the strategic asset of security measures, military और nuclear assets? ये जो मैथ्स के MCQs हैं इन्हें हम लास्ट पर वीडियो के एंड पर बाकी जो MCQs हैं उनको पढ़ने के बाद सॉल्व करेंगे। Antonym of word diligent, lazy. Synonym of the word ubiquitous, omnipresent. In a protective security control, what does in-depth mean? Layered system or multiple levels. Next MCQs. Which city hosted COP28? COP28 was hosted in Dubai, UAE। तो अब बाकी जो रिसेंटली 28 के बाद की जो कॉप्स हैं उनके बारे में पढ़ लेते हैं। COP29 summit was held in the city of Baku in Azerbaijan। Primary focus of COP29 was the new collective quantified goal on climate finance। Roadmap established at COP29 to scale up climate finance is known as the Baku to Belém roadmap। President of COP29 was Mukhtar Babayev। COP30 was hosted in Belém, Brazil in 2025। COP30 was historically significant for being held in the Amazon rainforest region। Next one scheduled is COP31। The upcoming 2026 United Nations Climate Change Conference COP31 is scheduled to be held in Antalya in Turkey। The dates for COP31 are 9th to 20th of November 2026। COP stands for Conference of the Parties। The COP is supreme decision-making body of the UNFCCC United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change। The first ever COP1 was held in Berlin in Germany in 1995। Landmark agreement to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees centigrade was signed at COP21 in Paris 2015। The Troika is the collaboration between the presidencies of COP28 UAE, COP29 Azerbaijan and COP30 Brazil to ensure continuity। Next MCQs है How many people were affected by 2022 floods in Pakistan? 33 million। The 2022 floods in Pakistan were primarily caused by record-breaking monsoon rains and melting glaciers। United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres described the 2022 floods as a monsoon on steroids। Approximately one-third of Pakistan's total land area was submerged during the peak of 2022 floods। Total number of people affected by 2022 floods was estimated to be over 33 million। The 2022 floods resulted in the deaths of approximately 1739 people, including over 600 children। The most severely affected province in terms of damage and loss was Sindh, accounting for nearly 70% of total damages। The second most affected province, particularly in terms of livestock loss and initial flash floods, was Balochistan। Next MCQs Laws about zina were revealed in which Hijri year? 5th Hijri। The laws hudud regarding the punishment of zina were revealed in the 5th Hijri। The Surah of Holy Quran that contains specific injunctions and punishments of zina is Surah An-Nur। The punishment of 100 lashes for zina for unmarried individuals is mentioned in Surah An-Nur। Next MCQs What was the real name of Imam Bukhari? Muhammad bin Ismail। Imam Bukhari was born in the year 194 AH or 810 AD। Birthplace of Imam Bukhari was Bukhara, modern-day Uzbekistan। Imam Bukhari is most famous for his collection of hadith titled Sahih al-Bukhari। Sahih al-Bukhari is considered most authentic book of hadith। Next MCQs है What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa। Canada is the second largest country in the world by total area। Largest city of Canada by population is Toronto। Canada has the longest coastline of any country in the world। Border between Canada and United States is the largest international border in the world। Currency of Canada is Canadian dollar। Canada has two official languages, English and French। French-speaking province of Canada is Quebec। National symbol of Canada is maple leaf। Canada is constitutional monarchy with parliamentary system। Ceremonial head of state of Canada is British monarch, currently King Charles III। The representative of British monarch in Canada is Governor General। Current Governor General of Canada is Mary Simon। Louis Arbour has been appointed as Canada's next Governor General, scheduled for installation on 8th of June 2026। Current Prime Minister of Canada is Mark Carney। Next MCQs When did Muslim League demand separate electorates in 1906? All India Muslim League was founded on 30th of December 1906. Muslim League was established at Dhaka, now Dhaka, Bangladesh. First President of All India Muslim League was Saraga Khan III. First Honorary Secretary of Muslim League was Nawab Mohsin ul Mulk. Proposal to establish Muslim League was presented by Nawab Salimullah Khan. First session of Muslim League was presided over by Nawab Waqar ul Mulk. First regular session of Muslim League in 1907 was held in Karachi. Second regular session of Muslim League in 1908 was held in Amritsar. The headquarters of Muslim League was initially at Lucknow but later shifted to Delhi. The Constitution of Muslim League, drafted by Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, was known as Green Book. London branch of Muslim League was founded in 1908 by Sayyid Amir Ali. Next MCQs. When was the Objective Resolution passed? On 12th of March 1949. Objective Resolution was moved in the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan by Liaquat Ali Khan. The date on which Objective Resolution was moved in Assembly was 7th of March 1949. The Constituent Assembly officially passed Objective Resolution on 12th of March 1949. The Objective Resolution is famously known as Magna Carta of Pakistan's constitutional history. According to resolution, sovereignty over the entire universe belongs to Allah Almighty. In which year did Allama Iqbal deliver Allahabad address? ये next MCQs था. In 1930. अब अल्लामा इकबाल से रिलेटेड इम्पोर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन देख लेते हैं. Allama Iqbal was born on 9th of November 1877. Birthplace of Allama Iqbal, Sialkot. Allama Iqbal's father name Sheikh Noor Muhammad. Allama Iqbal passed his MA in philosophy from Government College, Lahore. Famous teacher of Allama Iqbal at Government College, Lahore was Sir Thomas Arnold. Allama Iqbal went to Europe for higher studies in the year 1905. He obtained his PhD degree from the University of Munich in Germany. The topic of his doctoral thesis was development of metaphysics in Persia. Allama Iqbal qualified as a barrister from Lincoln's Inn, London. The title Sir was conferred upon Allama Iqbal by British government in 1922. 1922 में मिला था. Allama Iqbal delivered his historic presidential address at Allahabad in 1930. In the Allahabad address, Iqbal clearly demanded a separate state for the Muslims of the Northwest. Allama Iqbal attended second and third round table conferences in London. टोटल 3 राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंसेस थी और तीनों लंदन में ही हुई थी. The first book of poetry by Allama Iqbal was Asrar Khudi, published in Persian. First Urdu poetry of Allama Iqbal is Bangi Dara. The poem Shikwa and Jawab Shikwa are included in the book Bangi Dara. Bale Jibril was published in year 1935. Last book of Allama Iqbal which contains both Persian and Urdu poetries are Maqan Hijaz. Zarb-e Kaleem is known as Iqbal's declaration of war against the modern age or Western civilization. The book Payam-e-Mashriq was written by Iqbal in response to Goethe's West Ostlicher Divan. Javed Nama is considered Iqbal's masterpiece in Persian, inspired by Dante's Divine Comedy. Famous English lectures of Allama Iqbal are compiled in the book The Reconstruction of Religious Thought in Islam. Next MCQs है. Which prophet is known as Abul Anbiya? Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam is known by the title Khalilullah, friend of Allah. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam is often referred to as Abul Anbiya, father of prophets. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was born in the city of Ur, located in modern-day Iraq. The king who attempted to burn Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam in the fire was Namrud. Father of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, as mentioned in the Quran, was Azar. The two famous sons of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam who were also prophets were Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam and Hazrat Ishaq alayhi salam. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam migrated from Iraq to Syria, Sham, and later to Palestine and Mecca. First wife of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was Hazrat Sarah alayhi salam. Second wife of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and the mother of Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam was Hazrat Hajra alayhi salam. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam together rebuilt the Holy Kaaba in Mecca. The stone on which Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam stood while building the Kaaba is known as Maqam-e Ibrahim. The incident of the sacrifice Qurbani of his son is associated with Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. The ritual of Hajj largely commemorates the acts of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and his family. Sunnat-e-Ibrahimi refers to the act of sacrificing an animal on Eid al-Adha. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was about 86 years old when Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam was born, and Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was about 100 years old when Hazrat Ishaq alayhi salam was born. Next MCQs है, where is K2 located in Gilgit-Baltistan? K2 is the second highest mountain peak in the world. Official elevation of K2 8611 meters or 28251 feet. K2 is located in Karakoram mountain range. The mountain is situated on the border between Pakistan and China. Administrative region where K2 is located in Pakistan in Gilgit-Baltistan, Shigar district. K2 is popularly known as Godwin Austen, named after Henry Haversham Godwin Austen, an early explorer. Another local name for K2 is Chogori, which means king of mountains. K2 is famously nicknamed the Savage Mountain due to extreme difficulty of the ascent and the high fatality rate. First successful ascent of K2 was made on 31st of July 1954. First climbers to reach summit were Akil Kombagnoni and Lino Lesideli. First Pakistani to climb K2 was Ashraf Aman in 1977. First woman to climb K2 was Wanda Rutkiewicz from Poland in 1986. First Pakistani woman to summit K2 was Samina Beg in 2022. K2 has never been climbed from the east face. First successful winter ascent of K2 was achieved by a Nepalese team led by Nirmal Purja in January 2021. Famous Pakistani mountaineer known as the son of K2 who went missing on the mountain in 2021 was Ali Sadpara. The most common climbing route on K2 is the Abruzzi Spur. K2 is the part of Karakoram Himalayan region which contains the highest concentration of high peaks on earth. Next MCQs, Khyber Pass connects Afghanistan with Pakistan, Peshawar region. Khyber Pass connects Pakistan with Afghanistan. Khyber Pass is located in the Hindu Kush mountain range. Total length of Khyber Pass is approximately 53 kilometers or 33 miles. The pass connects the city of Peshawar in Pakistan with the city of Jalalabad in Afghanistan. Highest point of Khyber Pass is located at Landi Kotal. Khyber Pass has historically been known as gateway to Central Asia. Historic fort located near the entry of Khyber Pass is Jamrud Fort. Next MCQs है, what is the last Hajj of Holy Prophet called Hujjatul Wida? The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, performed only one Hajj in his lifetime. The Hajj performed by the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is known as Hujjatul Wida, the farewell pilgrimage. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, performed Hajj in the 10th Hijri. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, performed 4 Umrahs in his lifetime. All of the Umrahs of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, were performed in the month of Zulqa'dah, except the one performed with Hajj. Next MCQs, Lahore Resolution 1940 is associated with 23rd of March. Lahore Resolution was passed during the 27th annual session of All India Muslim League on 23rd of March 1940. Historic session of Muslim League in 1940 was held at Minto Park, now Greater Iqbal Park in Lahore. Lahore Resolution was presided over by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The resolution was drafted by a committee including Sir Sikandar Hayat Khan. Lahore Resolution was formally presented by A.K. Fazlul Haq, the Chief Minister of Bengal. A.K. Fazlul Haq is famously known as the title Sher-e-Bengal. The resolution was seconded from United Provinces, UP by Chaudhry Khaliq-ur-Zaman. Resolution was seconded from Punjab by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Resolution was seconded from Sindh by Sir Abdullah Haroon. The resolution was seconded from Balochistan by Qazi Muhammad Isa. Resolution was seconded from KPK, then NWFP, by Sardar Aurangzeb Khan. Next MCQs, in which year was Umayyad dynasty established? In 661 AD. Founder of the Umayyad dynasty was Hazrat Amir Muawiyah Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Capital of Umayyad Khilafat was Damascus, Syria. Total duration of Umayyad Khilafat in the east was approximately 90 years, 661 to 750 AD. Title of Umayyad rulers changed from Caliph to Malik after the transition from the Rashidun Khilafat. First Umayyad ruler to nominate his son as a successor started hereditary rule was Hazrat Amir Muawiyah Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Next MCQs. What was the tribe of Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu? Banu Hashim. Hazrat Ali was the fourth Caliph of Islam. Title of Hazrat Ali was Asadullah, Lion of Allah and Haider. Kunyat of Hazrat Ali was Abu Turab and Abu al-Hasan. Hazrat Ali was the first among children to embrace Islam. Father of Hazrat Ali was Abu Talib, who was the uncle of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Hazrat Ali was the cousin and son-in-law of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Hazrat Ali was born inside the Holy Kaaba in Makkah. The marriage of Hazrat Ali with Hazrat Fatima took place in 2 AH. Hazrat Ali slept in the bed of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, on the night of the migration to deceive the infidels. Hazrat Ali was the commander of the Muslim army in the Battle of Khyber. The famous Jewish fort of Qamuz was conquered by Hazrat Ali during the Battle of Khyber. The sword used by Hazrat Ali was named Zulfikar. Hazrat Ali didn't participate in the Battle of Tabuk because he was appointed as the governor of Medina by Prophet, peace be upon him, in his absence. The Brotherhood Muwakhat was established by the Prophet, peace be upon him, between himself and Hazrat Ali in Medina. Hazrat Ali was the writer of Treaty of Hudaybiyah. The period of Khilafat of Hazrat Ali lasted for about 4 years and 9 months. The Battle of Camel, Jang-e-Jamal, was fought between Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Aisha in 36 AH. Battle of Siffin was fought between Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Amir Muawiyah. Next MCQs है in English grammar, which preposition follows born to, which preposition follows endowed with. Federal government can delegate its power to Director General ASF. The pandemic agreement was adopted by which organization? World Health Assembly, WHO. In which city was the majority of the Quran revealed? Makkah. Under which section of the ASF Act can the DG delegate powers? Section 12. Is the uniform resolution regarding ASF personnel valid? True. जो मैथ्स के MCQs थे वो देख लेते हैं. फर्स्ट है, इफ़ एन आइटम इज़ 25% अबव द प्राइस 100 and sold after 10% डिस्काउंट, व्हाट इज़ द फाइनल वैल्यू. फाइनल वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमारे पास फार्मूला होता है ओरिजिनल प्राइस मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 प्लस मार्कअप मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंट. अब क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग ओरिजिनल प्राइस 100 है और मार्कअप क्या है 25%. इसको सॉल्व करें 25% को, 25 को डिवाइड करें 100 से तो आपके पास 0.25 आ जाएगा और डिस्काउंट क्या है 10%. ये हमारे पास आ जाएगा 0.10. अब ये वैल्यूज़ आपने पुट करनी है इस फार्मूले में. ओरिजिनल प्राइस की जगह आपने 100 की वैल्यू लगाई मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 प्लस मार्कअप हमारे पास क्या है 0.25% इंटू 1 माइनस डिस्काउंट क्या है 0.10%. इसको सॉल्व करें तो आपके पास फाइनल वैल्यू आ जाएगी 11.5. नेक्स्ट MCQs है आफ्टर अ डिस्काउंट 20% एंड अ 55% टैक्स इफ़ अ प्राइस इज़ 1260 व्हाट इज़ द ओरिजिनल वैल्यू. ओरिजिनल वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या फार्मूला होता है इज़ इक्वल टू फाइनल प्राइस डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस डिस्काउंट रेट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 प्लस टैक्स रेट. फाइनल प्राइस क्या है 1260, डिस्काउंट क्या गिवन है क्वेश्चन में 20% यानी कि 0.20 और टैक्स क्या है 55% मीन्स 0.55. अब इनकी वैल्यू आपने इस फार्मूले में पुट करनी है. सबसे पहले आप क्या करें कि ये वाला जो पोर्शन है इसको आप सॉल्व कर लें. इसकी वैल्यू जब निकल आएगी तो आप फाइनल जो प्राइस है उसको डिवाइड कर देंगे जो आपके पास वैल्यू आएगी. सो इस पोर्शन में पहले आप जो क्वेश्चन में वैल्यूज़ गिवन हैं वो पुट करें. 1 माइनस जो डिस्काउंट रेट है वो क्या है 0.20 इंटू 1 प्लस टैक्स रेट क्या है 0.55. इसको सॉल्व करें तो आंसर आएगा 1.25. अब आपने इस 1.25 को डिवाइड कर देना है 1260 से। फाइनल प्राइस आपके पास 1260 है और इसको सॉल्व करके जो वैल्यू आई है वो 1.25 है। 1260 को आप डिवाइड करें 1.25 से तो आपके पास ओरिजिनल वैल्यू आ जाएगी 1016.129। नेक्स्ट MCQs है, अ नंबर इज़ इंक्रीज्ड बाय 12% एंड देन डिक्रीज बाय 12%, व्हाट इज़ द नेट परसेंट चेंज। नेट चेंज परसेंटेज फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या फार्मूला है, इज इक्वल टू माइनस, क्योंकि डिक्रीज हो रहा है यहाँ पर, इंटू एक्स डिवाइडेड बाई 100 होल स्केयर मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 100। एक्स की वैल्यू गिवन है, क्या है, 12 है। सो एक्स की जगह आपने सिंपली 12 लगा देना है, 12 डिवाइडेड बाई 100। इसको आप सॉल्व करें, ये माइनस जो है ये फार्मूले से बाहर है। सो आपने इसको ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर नहीं लिख देना, वरना आपका जो आंसर है वो फिर गलत आएगा, क्योंकि ब्रैकेट के अंदर अगर आप इसे लिखेंगे तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा। हमारे पास यहाँ पर होल स्केयर है तो ये ब्रैकेट से बाहर है, ये माइनस। इसको आप सॉल्व करें तो आपके पास नेट परसेंटेज निकल आएगी -1.44%। नेक्स्ट है, द एवरेज ऑफ 3 नंबर्स इज़ 26। इफ़ द फर्स्ट नंबर इज़ 16 एंड द सेकेंड इज़ 31, व्हाट इज़ द थर्ड नंबर। मिसिंग वैल्यू यहाँ पर आपने फाइंड आउट करनी है। इसका क्या फार्मूला होता है, एवरेज इंटू एन माइनस सम ऑफ नॉन वैल्यू। सबसे पहले आप क्वेश्चन में जो यहाँ पर एवरेज गिवन है ये 3 नंबर्स के लिए है, इसलिए इस 26 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 से तो हमारे पास टोटल सम आ जाएगा 78। और उसके बाद इस पोर्शन को हम सॉल्व करेंगे सम ऑफ नॉन वैल्यू, 16 को और 31 को प्लस कर देंगे तो हमारे पास 47 आ जाएगा। अब क्या फार्मूला था, टोटल सम निकाला है, उसमें से माइनस कर देंगे सम ऑफ नॉन वैल्यू तो हमारे पास मिसिंग वैल्यू आ जाएगी। 78 माइनस 47 इज़ इक्वल टू 31, ये आपके पास आंसर आ जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इफ़ द रेशो ऑफ A टू B इज़ 4:5, A इन्वेस्ट फॉर 9 मंथ्स एंड B फॉर 6 मंथ्स, व्हाट इज़ द A's शेयर फ्रॉम द 22,000। तो हमने एंड पर A का जो शेयर है वो फाइंड आउट करना है। सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे A/B इज़ इक्वल टू A की जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे A के टाइम पीरियड से, B की जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे B के टाइम पीरियड से। A का शेयर वेट क्या है, A की वैल्यू हमारे पास 4 है और उसने इन्वेस्ट किया है 9 मंथ्स के लिए। 4 को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 9 से तो हमारे पास 36 आएगा। इसी तरह से B का शेयर वेट फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 6 मंथ से तो हमारे पास आएगा 30। अब इसको हमने सिंप्लीफाई कर लेना है, 36/30, A/B क्योंकि हमने फाइंड आउट करना है तो ये दोनों 6 से डिवाइड हो सकते हैं, 6 6 आर 36 और 6 5 आर 30। सो 6/5 आ गया हमारे पास A/B। अब ये जो रेशो हमारे पास आई है A और B की, इसको हमने प्लस कर देना है तो हमारे पास टोटल रेशो आ जाएगी 11। यहाँ पर अब हमने A का शेयर फाइंड आउट करना है। A की रेशो क्या है, 6 को हम डिवाइड करेंगे सम ऑफ रेशो जो हमारे पास आया है 11 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय जो टोटल वैल्यू है 22,000, तो हमारे पास A का शेयर आ जाएगा। अब क्वेश्चन में क्योंकि सिर्फ यही फाइंड आउट करना है तो यहीं तक सॉल्व करेंगे। अगर आपने B का भी यहाँ पर शेयर फाइंड आउट करना हो तो आप 5 को डिवाइड करेंगे 11 से मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 22,000 तो B का शेयर निकल आएगा। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन है, सॉल्व अलजेब्रिक इक्वेशन 2x माइनस 7 इज इक्वल टू 5। इसको सॉल्व करते हैं, 2x इज इक्वल टू 5, 7 जो है वो इक्वल के उधर जाकर ये -7 है तो ये +7 हो जाएगा। 2x इज इक्वल टू 12, x इज इक्वल टू 12/2, तो ये हमारे पास आंसर आएगा 6। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द मीन ऑफ 5 नंबर्स इज़ 18। इफ़ 4 नंबर्स आर 16, 18, 14 एंड 22, व्हाट इज़ द 5th नंबर। ये बिल्कुल उसी तरह से सॉल्व करना है जैसे अभी एक क्वेश्चन आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया है। इसका सोल्यूशन ये है और आंसर आएगा 20। 5th नंबर की जो वैल्यू है वो 20 है। सॉल्व द अलजेब्रिक इक्वेशन 3 इंटू 2x माइनस 5 इज़ इक्वल टू 4x प्लस 7। सो इस 3 को जो ब्रैकेट में वैल्यूज़ हैं उनसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है। 3 2 ज़ार 6, 6x माइनस 3 5 ज़ार 15, 4x प्लस 7। अब x की वैल्यूज़ को इकट्ठा लिख देंगे और जो सिंपल वैल्यूज़ हैं उनको इकट्ठा लिख देंगे। इक्वल टू की दूसरी तरफ जब आप वैल्यू को लेकर जाते हैं तो उनके साइन चेंज हो जाते हैं। 6x माइनस 4x 2x आ गया, 7 प्लस 15 22। इसको सॉल्व करें तो आंसर आएगा 11।